Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Cloud AI from anywhere in the world. As you may already know, Cloud AI is not available in some countries like Canada, Australia, India, Germany, France, or Ireland, for example. If you are in a country where Cloud AI is currently not available and try accessing the service, you will see the following message. Unfortunately, Cloud AI is only available in the US and UK. We're working hard to expand to other regions soon. Want to try Cloud AI now? I'm going to show you how. Before I show you how to access Cloud AI from anywhere in the world, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notifications button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you access Cloud AI? The short answer is NordVPN. NordVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. Imagine you are in Canada, Australia, India, Germany, France, or Ireland, and would like to use Cloud AI. What you need to do is use NordVPN to make it look like you are in a country where Cloud AI is available. You can connect to a server from this map, or using this menu on the left. There are a lot of countries, including the US and UK, but also Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, South Korea, just to name a few. These are all countries from which you can make it look like you're in. Simply select a country where Cloud AI is available, such as the US for example. I click on the US, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. My IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in New York. Then open an incognito window in your browser, enter Cloud AI's address and sign up. You will receive a verification code by email, enter it in the sign up form, and you will then have access to Cloud AI. It is that simple. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are quite similar to this one. As you saw, to unblock Cloud AI, you need NordVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click on the link located in the description under this video. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs to unblock websites, as it can unblock pretty much any website, including Cloud AI. NordVPN has more than 5,700 servers in 60 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 6 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass all kinds of blocks. NordVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 68% discount and 1 month free. To summarize, the idea is to use NordVPN to make it look like you are in another location by replacing your IP address with the IP address of the VPN server. All you need to do is to select the US or UK in the list of countries. That's it. It is that simple. Please note that NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact the customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after sign-up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as NordVPN comes with many other benefits. To bypass censorship, browse and download with more privacy and anonymity, increase the security of your internet connection, avoid bandwidth throttling, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs are not very effective at unblocking websites. They're also unsecured and very slow. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either, best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using NordVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to unblock websites. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 68% discount and 1 month free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. If NordVPN isn't for you, you can try CyberGhost instead, which is also a very good VPN to make it look like you're in the US or UK. CyberGhost is also a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. They provide their users with more than 9,400 servers in 91 countries. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 83% discount and 2 months free. CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to unblock Cloud AI and use it from anywhere in the world. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.